everything has 5 easy pays. Keep that in mind, 5 easy pays on everything on air. So we'll have a lot of fun with that as well. Lots of sale prices going on. Big weekend all the way, including Monday. We're going to start with a little bit of storage because this is the time in the morning. If you put away that handbag that at the last minute you thought you'd want, or you can't find that particular, you name it, because it's all in just kind of a cardboard box or something like that, we've got an idea from Cella. This is from Cella, our very own brand. You're getting all 3 of these, a set of 3. They actually all go this way. Wait, oops. There, give me 2 choices and I got the wrong one. Here's the set of 3 for you, storage boxes, 5 easy pays here at $11. That 5 easy pays means use any credit card, your Q card as well, $54.98. So we'll save you a nice $5 bill. And this color is called your cream linen. This is your glacier gray. Jennifer Kovich is here. She's definitely one of our girlfriends, home, food, and lifestyle expert, and mom of 2. Hi, honey. How are you?
So good to see you.
I have to tell you, I loved your outfit that you had on yesterday.
Oh, thank you.
Those pink high pants.
Thank you.
Look so gorgeous.
Thank you so much. You know, I'm trying to think spring. I'm trying to think Valentine's.
Yes.
But, you know, also
Mother Nature is pushing back.
Right? What is up with this? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I do like the cold weather too. But you know what else I love is organizing.
Yes, I know you do.
I'm a sucker for organization. So what we love about Cella is we're really trying to incorporate whole home organization, giving you opportunities to think outside the box, if you will. See what I did there? But what I love is that we give you give you this folding lid that you can open the back side or the front side. So depending on what you want to store in here, it really does make it user friendly. We give you this pull handle on the front so that if you want to tuck this under the bed even, you can do that. Pull it out, glide it. Put it in the top of your closet to tuck away, maybe it's your shoes. If you want to use this as a hat box, you already mentioned, sometimes we invest in those purses and they don't come with a dust bag, but we want to keep them protected from the dust or anything that could scuff them or scratch them. This is a great utilization for that as well.
And this one is really a customizable storage, and you get all 3 boxes. That's the cool thing. And they're not the kind of boxes like you have to hide. You could even leave these out, you know, if you have some kind of rack or open shelving or something like that.
Right. So it's customizable in a sense that you do get dividers on the inside as well. There is Velcro strips on the top and the bottom. So that way, if I decide I want to remove this altogether, I can and create one larger space. This has a 22-pound weight capacity. So you can really put quite a bit of items in here. But if I want to make a smaller division and then a larger one in the back, or because you're getting a set of 3, you can kind of take 2 from one, create 3 separate dividers, whatever it is that you want, but customize it how it works for you. For instance,
and for your needs at the moment. I mean, and then you can change it later. I mean, that's the nice thing. Do these fold down?
They do. They are fully collapsible, absolutely. So you're just simply going to remove that bottom. So after we remove all the items, remove the divider, there's one bottom piece, which I'll show you in just a moment.
Okay, sure.
You pull that out and you just fold it down. But when it comes to, you know, in the front here, if this was in the top of my closet, this is what I'm going to see. Oh, I have sweaters in here. Okay, I can see the colors of the sweaters. We give you this mesh liner to keep them protected, but also easy for you to see what's in there.
Plus it lets a little air in.
Exactly, so that way nothing gets musty or moldy in that off season. So when you tuck away your sweaters or maybe it's your swimsuits or yoga gear or whatever it is.
Exactly.
It doesn't get all nasty and smelly. But then on the back side, we have, so we have sweaters and blouses in the front. What about all of your denim in the back? Maybe that's not something that you wear that often. Or maybe it's a seasonal denim. So it could be your denim shorts or what have you back here. It doesn't require a lot because I don't have as much.
I like how you rolled them. That's the perfect answer.
Yes, exactly. So you really want to utilize as much space as possible, get some of that real estate back, roll your clothes just like you would in your suitcase when you want to maximize the space and the amount of clothes that you can travel with. Do the same thing when it comes to organization. Plus this way,
we've got 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. That's it. All right, perfect. Thank you so much. So you're getting 3 of these. So think about this too, in the bathroom, in the linen closet. We think we're tucking something away in that linen closet and it's going to be dust free.
Yes.
It's not. I'm telling you, it's not. Give it that extra layer of protection, plus these are fully stackable.
Okay, do they collapse?
Yes, they do. So let me show you that. Go ahead and remove that lid. You can collapse that lid, remove the divider. Simply remove that bottom.
Well, of course, it's going to be difficult because I put you on the
You
spot.
remove the bottom and then it fully collapses.
Voila.
Just like that.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
There you go.
So-
All pieces.
You know, and that, I think that's so very important. You get 3 of these, by the way, and the price, $54.98. Glacier gray, cream linen. All right, Jen, it is Galentine's Day, so
Yes.
we brought you some
Oh, thank
hearts.
you so
You're
much.
welcome.
It's so good to see you. Thank you, Pat.
Thank you. All right. So if you want to take a look at my shirt, here's the sweet thing is I came out and Jane was running because she gets to work with Valerie Parr Hill today.